How to lock Facebook profile officially. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can lock Facebook profile. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Now to lock your Facebook profile, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner just below the home icon. That's gonna land you to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the three dot icon next to edit profile button. Once you land on this profile setting page, there you have an option to lock your profile. Tap on lock profile. Here it says only your friends will see your past and future photos, posts and stories on your profile. Here to confirm, tap on lock your profile. And with that, now your profile is locked. Then only your friends can see the post, photos and stories on your profile. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.